In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new strategy that can get you around $100 every single day by doing a simple method, guys. I'm going to be showing you everything in today's video, and I'm actually in the process of doing this method myself, and I'm going to be showing you my results so far on doing this method. I'm going to do every single step that is needed to actually make this possible for you to start to generate some passive income. So make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So with this method, guys, we're going to be talking about crypto tab browser. And do not exit out of this video. It is important for you to actually watch this video entirely so you know everything that I'm going to be talking about. So this is something that you can use right now, guys, on your mobile device or even on your laptop, anywhere that you can actually get access to the internet, to this actual program, crypto tab browser. I'm going to help you generate some passive income and through referrals, guys. So watch this whole process. It's not going to be making videos on YouTube, but just taking action. So let's go through this real quick so you know how to actually get started making some money with crypto tab browser. So what crypto tab browser is a actual website that you can use just like Google Chrome, and it actually mines Monero coins and pays you out in Bitcoin. So this does not fluctuate up and down with the Bitcoin price. They're just going to pay you out in Bitcoin from mining Monero coin. And as you can see, my total earnings so far is $80 or $70 on this account right here, guys. So as you can see, my total affiliate or total earnings is around $60, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get this number going up super fast. Just stay consistent on this method, and you can see all of this right here. So I have over 226 active miners on one of my links, and I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process to actually get up to this number or even more, guys, because I'm doing this method and I'm going to actually do one right now in front of your guys' eyes. So first off, guys, we're going to be doing this affiliate method. So we're just going to come down here and add a new link in so I can make an updated video showing you guys that this is working. So I'm going with PickRef. So this is going to be the website name right here, guys. Type in your link ID name. It will only be visible for you. So we can just do test, or we can do something simple, guys. So let's go to create, and this is going to be the ID that I'm going to be using for this video, showing you guys that this is working. So it's going to be this one right here. You can see the name PickRef and test. So we're just going to go ahead and copy this for the affiliates. Stay consistent on this method because it does work. So in order to get started with this, guys, you're going to need a little bit of upfront money, but crypto tab browser is a free browser that's going to let you mine on your desktops and even on your mobile devices, guys. So as you can see, I have approximately $4 right here inside of my account. So that's 0.00012635 BTC. Now you can just keep on saving. Now picture this whole strategy out inside of your brain. So the website we're going to be using for this strategy is going to be right here, called Pico or Pico Workers. Now what this does is actually you can do jobs to get some money from doing these simple jobs like marketing, test, visit, one times, and you can see all of these. Look, it's the same thing, guys, but you're going to be getting paid out 3 cents over and over again. So this person needs at least 300 of this done. So 3, 6, and look at this one right here, just marketing, test, visit, 1, 910. So this needs 910 people to do this. So let's not carry along with all of this information here. It's not really important to us. We're going to be making our own. Now the reason being is because I'm going to explain to you the whole step process of actually making this an unlimited amount of passive income for you guys. So let's go over here to my jobs real quick, and I just got through depositing around $10 inside of this account just a couple of minutes ago. You can see the notifications right here. So now let's go to my jobs, and I want to show you exactly what I have been doing on this account. So I needed 29 people to actually install crypto tab browser and actually take a picture of the install from their computer. Now here's something important, guys. Don't go on doing this method yet. So once you have actually got inside of here, you can copy all of my information I have inside of here, international, worldwide. So it says tasks from country not over 25%, category computer programs, download plus install, auto age or auto verify rates. Do not do this one. You want to verify it on your own. Time to rate tasks is 7 days, speed slow 1000. You can copy all of this information here, and look, it says what is expected from the workers. Go to this link, and this link is going to be your crypto tab affiliate link. So, and it says download and install crypto tab browser on your laptop or desktop, no mobile downloads. Install safe browser just like Chrome web browser. It's a 100% passive, and it says required proof that task was finished. Link to screenshot displaying the time and date from your computer shows or show that you are using the browser. So that is all the information that is going to be needed in order to make sure that these people have actually installed the browser on their computer, and take a screenshot showing them that they have done it and started off at 0. So now you're going to get people to actually click on your link and install this browser, and that once they have done that, they have to actually sign up for this in order to start to mine their coins. So this is something really interesting. Reason being is because they won't actually use this at the beginning. They might not use it for a week or a month, but eventually if they come across a video, which I'm doing for you right now, inside of the notes you can do this. Thanks for checking out the CryptoTab browser. I am now earning $2.14 using CryptoTab browser. If you have any questions, just email me directly at your email, so you can put your email here, and you can also come over here and watch this, guys. So what I have done is I just typed in learn how I am doing this here. So put in like my YouTube video link, this one I'm creating for you guys right now. They're gonna come watch the video if they're interested in learning how to make some passive income. You can change this $2.14 a day to like $5 to make it more attractive. So we can easily just come in here and put in a number 5 using CryptoTab browser, and they're gonna watch my video. Then they're gonna click on the link here, or they're gonna copy and paste it inside of YouTube. Then they're gonna get this video that you're watching right now. Once they have gotten this video, they're gonna be interested in doing that. They're gonna follow the same process, and then they're gonna get referrals under them, which gives you referrals under their downline. And I'm not sure how I can actually show you this information on this because I'm on my MacBook at the moment, but you're gonna get referrals from them, which is super easy to do, guys. Super easy to actually have people get referred under you. Oh, you can see them right here. Look, level 1, 100 referrals. Level 2, 1,555 referrals. Then they're gonna watch this video because they're gonna copy the same exact strategy, and then the level 3s are gonna follow through, and then the level 4s and 5s and 6s and 7s, and you're just gonna have a consistent flow of passive income, and you're gonna be at the you're gonna be on top of number 1, guys. You're gonna be having, let's say, 1,000 people join in under me, and then 5,000 people join under them. So you're gonna just have a consistent flow of passive incomes with this strategy, and this is the whole strategy right here. Just by adding this little phrase inside of I'm going to be leaving this down below in the description for you guys to copy and paste it, and just keep on staying consistent, guys. Now the way to stay consistent is once you start to get some passive income, once you start to use this like every so often, once a week, let's say you get around $5 to $10 a week, then come back in here, put in some more money inside of Pico Workers. They do accept Bitcoin, and then start to reinvest it, take it out of this platform, put it in here, get more referrals, do the process again, because then it's going to come back twice as fast, 3 times as fast, 4 times as fast, 5 times as fast. The affiliates are going to just start to grow, and then these affiliates are going to get affiliates, and it's just going to come down like a downstream of just passive income. And CryptoTab browser, I believe, is here to stay for quite some time, guys. So this is going to be my simple strategy for you to all follow, something that is so simple and so easy. I already have another $10 ready to get put inside of here to give me some more affiliates, so those affiliates can get affiliates, and then from those affiliates to get affiliates, and then so on and so forth. So guys, the key to all of this is just taking action. My name is Carreno. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.